Monday early bird, select H2 and an underdog. Good luck. Break 32.29. We are full. Dice roll. Going 5 times. Teams first. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 here. 5 here. Brownies up top. Giants at the bottom. 5 times now on your names. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 here. 5 here. Sean up top. John Plua at the bottom. Let's sort them out. Browns didn't sort. They're at the top. Everybody else did. There's your squads. Good luck, gentlemen. Here we go. Good luck. Good luck. Select H2 and the underdog. Start with the select H2. Good luck. Good luck. Christian Harris, Bobby Wagner, Calvin Austin, Disco, Jaquan Brisker, Logan Hall, and Kyler Gordon. Brisker for the Bears on the Disco. Russ, Nakobe Dean, Kyle Pitts, Scary Terry to 49. For Washington, going to Tom Hall. Kayvon Thibodeau and Malcolm Rodriguez. We got gold. Show me gold. Purdy one time. Lewis Cine, Javonte, Christian McCaffrey. Gold for the Niners going to Michael Carr. Man, that's a pretty card. Gold McCaffrey going to the Niners. 9 out of 10. And Michael Carr, Jerry Jeudy, Kyron Williams, the last pack of the box. Sam Howell, Sam Darnold, Kenny Pickett on the silver for the Steelers. Sam Williams to 49, Justin Fields, and Saquon Barkley. Sam Williams, 7 out of 49. Pickett on the silver. The Steelers going to Vito. And Sam Howell for Washington. Good luck on the underdog, guys. Here we go. Underdog time. Who do we got? Who do we got? Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness. Bang! How about downtown Devontae Smith? Rookie downtown for Josh Stant. Good grief. Devontae Smith, rookie downtown for Josh Stant in the early bird. Underdogs are hot. Good grief. What a break. Let's recap it. Pickett on the silver. Sam Williams, gold. Christian McCaffrey. Scary Terry and Devontae Smith on the downtown for the Eagles. Going to Josh Stant. There you go, Josh. That's the break, guys. That's the break. Thanks for the fill.